Oh, no, my hair went in the Carotini.
So welcome back to the kitchen. It's nearly Christmas.
Yes! So that means cocktails.
Cocktails.
And overindulgence.
Yes. So today we're going to show you how to make some very delicious cocktails. That's not very healthy,
Not very healthy at all.
But a wee bit better.
Tiny bit healthier.
Yes. Yeah. So we just want to teach you a few ways, or two cocktails that are a little bit healthier. Still, of course, there's loads of alcohol in it, but they still got some really nice, good nutrients in it. That's good for you. So
yeah. So we're gonna show you something we call the Carotini.
Carotini.
And what was it?
Spirulini.
Spirulini. Yeah. So we've got the sort of a carrot martini something or other. It's quite nice. It's very refreshing.
They're both fucking delicious. They're both lovely. Yes, they're both really nice.
They're both really good, so yeah. So we're gonna have one carrot that just kind of chopped up into sticks, and we've got this thing here, which is like a cold pressed juicer thing.
Yes, you don't have to use this. If you don't have one of these at home, that's fine. You can just use carrot juice. But if you want a proper like nutrient boost, use one of these if you have one. But you know what? Just get a normal carrot juice. So I'm gonna try this on now.
Here we go.
So what this will do is we'll extract all the juices from the carrot and separate the pulp.
You make that into delicious cake for muffins.
Yes, I normally freeze them.
Or you can turn it into pot noodle as we did earlier.
Yes,
yeah.
Pot noodles. So if you go to like a like a juice store, like a juice bar, thank you. This recipe is normally used as a cleanser, it's called. So it's
except we're gonna add gin to it.
Not as cleansing, but
no. So we got a couple of bits of ginger as well. So it's about a couple of centimetre pieces of ginger. That going in too. So slightly less cleanser.
Right, there you go.
So we've got a little bit of carrot juice there. Next thing, we're gonna get our Boston shaker. Or just cocktail shaker.
You can also just boil this in a glass if you prefer just putting this. But if you have this, perfect. You know, get cheap enough and TK Maxx, you know, and it makes a lot of difference.
A bigger one probably. So, got a lot of ice in here. We're gonna get some gin, so we're gonna go for the Eden Mill stuff here, is it?
Oh yeah, Eden Mills, but you know, of course, there's loads of options. You can use nice Edinburgh gin.
Edinburgh gin.
No, you're not from Edinburgh, we live in Edinburgh.
We live in Edinburgh.
It's up to you.
But we quite like this one.
Yeah, we don't have a measuring here, so we just,
eyeballing it.
Like that, sounds about right.
Then we're gonna have the juice of half a lemon. So
if you preferably have a better strainer, well, this is what we work with. This is what we got.
So got half a lemon juice in there. Then, there's a touch more here because I might add that too.
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Because that was not a very juicy lemon. So,
apple juice.
Apple juice, yep.
We will on the description box. We will tell you the exact recipe. For
yeah,
this,
we'll tell you the actual measure.
Yeah,
we're just gonna do a little bit of dash of this, and then the juice of one carrot and 2 centimetre size piece of ginger.
We're using Claudia apple here. Get some really nice proper apple juice, not the normally like cheaper ones, because these are a bit. It gives a bit better flavour to it. Do you want to shake it?
I think you're better than I am.
Shake. Shake that cocktail. Shake that cocktail. Like that.
And then we've got our lovely cocktail strainer right here.
Yeah, now I'll probably do a bit of this because don't want all the ice in there.
Yeah, I hope you guys have a better cocktail
It's
kit than us.
These what we got here.
And that is the Carotini. Right, ginger.
There you go. You can garnish this with a slice of lemon.
Yep. Or if you've got one of those nice little, say the zesters, you do a little lemon twirl.
Yeah, you can do that. Or you can literally just do a wee like that.
And there we go.
I love this. Because every time I go to the juice bar, I get one of these called a cleanser. There's carrots, apple juice, ginger, and lemon in it.
And now you just need to shove gin in it.
It's delicious. It's delicious.
How to wake up in the morning.
Maybe not. Maybe not. Right.
Oh, that's good.
It's good, isn't it?
Right, now this is the other one we thought was just going to be a joke, and it turns out actually was quite good.
This is out of this world. Like, just watch people.
It's just ridiculous. It's
Right.
actually okay.
So we are gonna put the famous spirulina,
Vegetable powder.
in the cocktail.
Like, it smells absolutely disgusting.
Alright, just listen to this. I love spirulina. Jenny does not love spirulina. When I made this cocktail earlier,
It smells like mildew.
when I made this cocktail earlier, she was like, "Oh my goodness, this is mine."
Yeah,
It's how much
it's
she loves it.
actually really nice.
So what I'm gonna do, fill the cocktail with spice again. And I'm gonna make 2 cocktails because Jenny's here.
Yeah.
And she loves this. And again, I like the green stuff here, and Jen doesn't, but she loves this. Okay.
I like green vegetables, I just don't like spirulina.
Right. So we're gonna put vodka.
Unless it's masked with vodka, clearly.
Right. So we're gonna put vodka in this. So of course, like 50 centiliters.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit more.
Yeah, we really gotta mask the taste of spirulina here.
Right. So this should be about 1 teaspoon of spirulina. That for 2 people, or half a teaspoon per 1 person.
Yeah, so in it goes.
There you go. And then we can either use lime juice or lemon juice.
Lime, what you feeling?
You choose.
I think we could have lime wedges in the glass.
Yes. Let's do that. So we can make it it's gonna be like a lemonade. That's how it's gonna taste.
It's like a lemonade crossed with a mojito without the rum.
Yeah. Squeeze that in.
Yeah. We've got an extra half a lemon, why not?
Yeah. So there's no rules here. Like should be our catchphrase. No rules.
Yeah.
Just add as much as you like. If you like very lemony, add more lemon. If you don't like it as lemony,
Please remember you're trying to mask the taste of spirulina.
yeah. Like you will still taste a little bit of spirulina, but it will be
But
a
it's-
refreshing
Yeah,
taste.
it's not like spirulina taste. I'm very sorry to all the people who are watching this who freaking love spirulina.
Right, then you just mix that.
Put the apple juice in? Do we put apple?
No apple juice in this one, no. You would think it would need it, but it doesn't.
Yeah.
And then you will just
Build it.
Gonna build it. So we get 2 tall glasses, highballs, and we will add some lime wedges, and we will add ice, and some mint. And then again, we can hold our nice strainer here.
Here we go. Look how freaking green this thing is.
Like that. The next one. Don't want to fill all the top of making 2 here because we're gonna top it up.
With our soda water. Okay.
And then just put that in a sink over here. And then you just top it up with some soda water. Now the mint's gonna release some nice, like fresh, summerly flavors.
Got our paper straws.
Paper straws.
No plastic. No.
Give it a stir.
You can have the one with more spirulina.
Of course, you can use less, and the less you use, the less green it will be.
And here we go.
Spirulina, spirulini.
Spirulini, green monster. It doesn't taste like it's got vodka in it. It just tastes like lemonade.
It just literally tastes like a nice, refreshing lemonade.
Yeah, like. Oh god.
Right, we're gonna continue sipping on these. All the recipes is down below in the description box. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe, give it a like. Got any question for us? Just ask. And I hope if you make these recipes, if you make the Carotini or the Spirulini, let us know. #Nyim Nutrition. And we'll see you next time.
Cheers.
Cheers.